Watch Murderer.
You may kiss
oh,
your bride.
yeah. Just arrived in Negro at the Villa Sur-Mer, cottages and hotel in Negro. The wedding, the place is nice. Take you into the room. Because wedding greeting MC setting. Look at the bed. There's some stuff on the bed. I hope I don't mind the bed. Air conditioning. Heading into the room, open sesame. Me going in the bathroom. Yeah, I am satisfied. I am already excited, tired, but let's see you soon.
It's your birthday, it's your birthday.
Miami in the house right now.
Got girls that I should have.
All the people out of California.
Girls that cancel the flight back home.
All the people out of New York City.
Attitude on 99.
Alright people, I'm outside of my villa, Villa Sur-Mer, out here in the grill, 1B, that's where I stayed. Nice little setup. Today is the day. Hashtag NJ on the beach. So we're going running upon the groom. Why are we running in the groom? Why for that? We're running to the bride and her place now. And yeah, I'm getting ready, but I don't know. What is the bad luck thing? So you don't know, big up, show the property. It is just crazy. Nice. I think it's just a really nice vibe, really laid back. You know, villas, air conditioned, of course, because I know Jamaica hot as hell. You see me? So that's what we do right now. I'm not going to put all that in this. This is like just a time lapse and stuff. What you're doing everything. Yeah, so zoom. So guys, I'm here, exclusive behind the scenes, hashtag NJ on the beach. You know, uptown voice, what was it on? So I'm in the bridal room, because that's, you know, that's where I belong. Apparently. I had mother there too, drinking mimosas like she has no business drinking mimosas. The maid of honor, around this in a green, like she had JLP, but we're not talking about that now. We just keep focus on what's important. It's not my day, it's a day of Noella and Drella. Alright? So if you're never there, we can show you what one. And the things that are happen. People. God damn!
Wait,
Brushed by
what time
Nicole.
You'll be here when the lunch comes though, figure.
Yeah man, I like that. I like hearing everything there. When the lunch forward. Madness. And then we have over here, we have the Muma, El Madre, Matriarch, At Girl, Swan, out there, Kaka! What's
Fidelitas. Anybody want cake?
what kind of cake, friend? What kind of cake, friend?
Cake.
Hey! Drama, and then we have the other hairstylist on there. Hi, what's your so pleasant? Then the one you just look for me like something a bigger for looking at the camera. Why don't let me?
I'm used to behind the camera, not in front of the camera.
But friend, when you bust for like a baby kite, you have to take a little camera time, you know? Yeah. Like my friend Danzy, just a natural chair. Just chilling like Kim Kardashian. Man, I be a rich people we doing now. Can't.
Yeah, there's one with regular milk and two with almond milk, I think, yeah. Maybe two or two, but I don't know. Which one is regular version? Can't tell the color. Yeah, that's the almond milk, that's the regular.
I don't know why you would do
Alright, just left the bridal room. Was there for a minute chilling, doing whatever. You gotta be chilling, villain like a villain, like a villain. You know what I mean? That's a vibe. So I'm going to try to get some food to eat and head over around 2 o'clock. Alright. Alright, so right now we're going to go downstairs out to run the caves at Villa Summer. Let's go downstairs and sort it out. Watch Rich over there. Look at the rich girl over there. Look at her. Bam. Put on the shit. Hi! Wow, who's that? What's that over there? So, alright, boom. So, alright, guys, we're here at Villa Summer. We're heading down to the cave. I hear it's really beautiful. Let's try to go down there together, okay? Alright. Steps are a bit steep. But it also says here, swim at your own risk. No, I forgot. That has been clean a minute. Whoa. Alright, guys, I'm clearing here. Clearing the height. Oh, it's nice and cool though. Alright. No way. Wow. This is amazing. Woo-wee, guys. Look at that. This year, homemade testimony. Breakfast views. Watch murderer. Damn. Kill him. Kill him. Kill him. Sheesh. Big mish.
Something about the way that you talk to me, even when you're not around, I feel warm. Where you belong. I go hungry, I go black.
Oh, damn. Smart, smart.
I go crawling down the avenue. No, there's nothing that I would.
Jarrell in Joy's Overflow. Their union a tapestry divine. You may
Yeah,
kiss
oh,
your bride.
yeah.
I'm hoping that the photographers are satisfied because I don't think we have a shutter speeds for cameras that catch choopsies that quickly. And so, yes, without prompting, here we go.
No, voila. That's a danger kind somebody says somebody is ready before you wear them now. Oh, so wow, flying fingers for the ceremony. It's nice, it's really. Tell them about me. What's it like?
I knew it.
Aye. What's your name? Oh, I'm about to cry. Oh my God.
Finally, we're here now.
Woo, 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 woo.
I've been waiting all my life. Whoa, every day you're all I think about. Yeah, my mind is like
Aye, aye, aye.
always been.
Woo.
Oh, I breathe. Oh, I cried for you. I can't believe we're here at last. Oh, I prayed for you. Oh, I cried for you. I can't believe we're here at last. Can you take me through?
Yeah.
My face, kiss me on my hand, take me to a place where we
Yeah.
feel
Man.
what it means and how it's supposed to feel. You got all I need. Can we make love like it's our first time?
Yeah. Me can't. Damn.
It's
crazy.
And the Myers them nice party, them nice wedding, and the everything.
Clean,
But once
good wife.
everybody get
Good
back down.
girl. Good girl. Good.